gonna leave me.
I think it's not so now at the post side.
Oh, let's go. Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Splendor, and today is Monday the 8th of June. I was about to say May. But yeah, today is Monday the 8th of June, and this is my full outfit for today. So basically I'm wearing this top. This is like the thickest clothes I have in my closet, and I had to wear it because it rained from yesterday. If you guys want to see my face. Okay guys, so as I was saying, today it rained literally from like 4 a.m, 5 a.m, 6 a.m, 7 a.m, like it was pouring. So I just had to wear this. Yeah, not bad. I'll see you guys. Welcome to the channel guys. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share this video. Okay, yeah. Hi guys, good morning. So today is Tuesday. Welcome back to the channel, and yeah, I'm excited today. Today is my appraisal as well, so I'll let you guys know how that goes, and I would also show you guys my full outfit later on. Yeah, just thought to come on here and say hello guys. I don't know what this is called, but I want to try it for you guys. I already had a bite, as you can see here. Then I remember that I was vlogging, and I was like, okay, I need to vlog for you guys, so let's sit and try it out. We will. Okay guys, so this is it. I already took a bite from it. See, it has some almond on top, so let's try again. It has like jam as well. I need to show you. It has like jam inside. Can you see the jam there? This is really nice, and I'll give you, I don't know the name, I'll try and get the name and put it down on the screen for you guys. It's really good. Guys, to be very honest, I'm being careful with what I taste here, because the last one I had, I think I would insert the clip here. I tasted Pesto. I think it's pronounced as Pesto or Pesto, something like that. I'll insert the video here. It was bad, and after I had it, my whole body system just changed. But this is really good. I love it.
From the last time,
Guys, I'm about to have Pestos. Cheers. Cheers.
no bad. Nice. No bad.
Okay, this is for you.
Oh my gosh, guys. Thank you. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, so cute. I'm excited. Really, I am. And they spelled my name correctly. They can't miss that actually. My office can't miss my name. I'm so grateful. Thank you guys so much. Distinguished team player, Karen. It's They gave me ice cream
Yes, one.
without wig.
We're nice like that.
Yes, they are nice like
I'm
that,
here
guys.
too.
Guys, they gave me ice cream.
Yes, so
Oh,
baby
so
gave
cute. Hey, why would she say that kind of a thing? How? How? After my appraisal, let me use this one and step down. Oh Lord, this. Thank you, baby. God, I beg. Let me use this one to calm my head. I always lick ice cream though. Always. Really nice. Let's unbox, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. Come on, it's me, you, Eddie, Ella, and Doris.
She agreed on it. But then we have Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
More food.
Even if she's on duty, let her be on morning shift.
Because we're going in the afternoon. For the presentation. How to video the rain? Like, how can it be raining this much in Port Harcourt? Like, are you guys seeing the pool? See, I don't know if this video is even doing justice to this rain, but you can hear the thought that let me put away my phone, I beg. My friend Precious sent me this. It's a phone stand, and she sent it all the way from Abuja, guys. All the way from Abuja. I just received it. I'm so thankful to her, honestly. Like, I'm so thankful. So I want to unbox it so we can see how it looks and what it looks like. Hi guys, good morning. So I just got to work. I don't know, I'm trying to show you guys my outfit. This is basically OOTD for today. I don't know why this elevator light is shaking like this. Hey guys, so my outfit for today is Saturday, by the way.